What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to double tap that bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. Guys, I'm back with another video today. Today, we're going to be talking about how to become the woman of your dream. Becoming a woman of your dreams is all about self-improvement, what aligns with you mentally, physically, your values, your routines, how you decide to treat yourself on a day-to-day basis. So I wanted to talk about more of what becoming a woman to me is. All about self-improvement, aligning your goals with yourself, your lifestyle, your values, what you want to achieve in life, becoming the person you want to be. And I recently genuinely just reached my potential of becoming the woman of my dreams and becoming the woman I want to be. So having a good lifestyle, your morals, your goals, anything is possible. Anything can change if you're willing to change it. Sometimes you have to sit and ask yourself, like, who is the person I genuinely want to be? Who do I want to look up to? And it should be yourself. Who is the woman I want to become? What is my day-to-day routine? What do my life look like? What does she do on a regular? Do she go to the gym on a regular? Do she journal on a regular? Do she meditate on a regular? Do she do solo trips on a regular? Do she do girl trips on a regular? What is that dream woman to you? What is her career like? What is her lifestyle like? What is her relationships like with her friends, families, whoever? What is the woman you envision yourself to be? You have to take little steps in order to get where you want to be. This is personal to me because it took me a while to become the person I want to be, and I love the woman I'm becoming day to day, every day, and just doing little things that make my routine a part of me. So you have to build a small routine, even if you can't accomplish every little thing that you want to accomplish. Say you wake up in the morning and you didn't get to do this thing, just use something else to mark up your calendar that you want a part of your routine. That may be like making a small cup of tea or doing a 10-minute yoga, like something small, just to congratulate yourself that you're trying and that you're willing to change and become the woman of your dreams. It definitely does take time, but nothing changes until you make a change in your life and what you honestly want to do with it. Instead of you saying, oh, I just want to be confident, I just want to walk, when people see me walk into a room, you got to ask yourself sometimes, what does confidence look like to you? How does she wake up? What does she do? How do you engage? What actions is to build confidence? Speak up more, engage more, talk to people more. Confidence comes within you as you grow and get older. I'm not saying you can't have confidence now. You can. Your dream life is not going to happen overnight. I can honestly say that from the bottom of my heart because it took me some time for becoming the woman I want to be genuinely. I had to change my routine. I had to wake up, do morning, go to the gym. I had to change for myself in order for it to get done. And that's the only way it's going to happen for you. You have to do small little habits, routines, self-care, physical care, even if it's a solo lunch date for yourself. Just to build the woman you want to be, you have to just make a small step, even if it's like maybe once a week. Do something for yourself that that shows that you care about yourself and you're trying to become the woman that you're trying to be. Everything will work out in the long run as long as you stay consistent. The only person who's going to take care of you guys is yourself. And that's what I can say. The only way who's going to change your physical is yourself. The only way who's going to change your mental is yourself. The only way who's going to change your life is yourself. So why not go ahead and take those steps right now as you try each and every day. 2025, it's a new year, it's a new start. It's time to take back action into your life. Build small habits, build small routines. It's not hard how people put it. And we choose what we want to do. We choose to maybe scroll on TikTok or be on social media or do something else instead of without time. You can always pick and choose your life. At some point, you're going to get to the point to where you're at your breaking point and you're like, okay, girl, it's time to change. It's time for a different routine. It's time for a different environment. It's time for a different circle. Nothing changes until you change, and you have to be that person to change it in your life. Nobody will be able to help you. Of course, you have your support and you have your family, and they're always going to look out for you. Love that. But when I say You, the only person who can really change and really prosper in life is yourself. Like, once people see you and you see you as a grown woman and become the woman of your dreams, nobody will be able to tell you anything, because it's like, I did this. This is all me. This is all my hard work. This is all my dedication I put into myself, my routines, my physical, my mental, my spiritual. Nobody else will be able to take that away from you. Once you build that confidence and become that dream woman of yourself, like, nobody could tell you anything, honey. Because I know can't nobody tell me nothing. So I know won't nobody be able to tell y'all nothing. So that's all it takes. Just build just small steps to wake up every day. Even if you can't, write in your journal or meditate, hop on YouTube, do a 15-10 minute stretch. You see, I have my yoga mat in the back. So even sometimes if I don't journal or be able to take my vitamins, I always try to do a small step in my day-to-day to, show that I'm showing up for myself. I'll do a 10-minute stretch on YouTube just to keep my body moving. If I can't make it to the gym, I'll probably walk somewhere just to get some fresh air. It's just small steps that you can do that can change your lifestyle. Once it become a part of your lifestyle, then it just changes your whole routine. You don't even think about it no more. You don't even think about it. Once you're so used to doing something, it just comes natural to you, and it shows you like, oh, okay, I can do this. This is me. This is part of my lifestyle. Some people are like, okay, so how do you do that? And you're gonna be at the point to where like, babe, I don't know. This is just part of my lifestyle. This is part of my day to day. This is part of what I do. This is part of how I move and how I act. It can't be explained because this is me, So it's just like, become the person you want to be. Become the woman you want to be. Like, I just love women empowerment. I love women, and I love helping women. Just become your bigger self, your better self, your successful self. Like, nobody will be able to tell you nothing, guys. And I'm so excited. Cultivate your confidence, you guys. Cultivate your confidence. Dress the way you want to dress. Move how you move. How does the woman of your dream dress? How does she wake up? How does she do positive affirmations? Does she talk to herself? Does she say, I'm beautiful, I'm grateful, I woke up today, I'm a blessing, I'm on my spiritual journey, I'm thankful for everything that I have in my life? Do the person you want to be wake up every day like that? Confidence come within, but little things like dressing well, putting yourself together, making sure you look good. Maybe let me just put on a cute little turtleneck, put myself together, and make myself look good. Even though I'm going to be in a house, I just want to be presentable. I want to look better. I want to feel better. Become the woman that I always wanted to be. Sometimes you got to remember that your thoughts shape your reality. Write down little 3 things that you're grateful for. I'm grateful for life. I'm grateful for this. I'm grateful for that. Just small steps will help you become the dream woman that you always wanted to be. And me, in my personal, I always try to write, like, journal or write down things that I really care about. So stuff like that really matters to me. So just try to write down 3 things. Just do small steps to become the person you always wanted to be. And you guys, I have to be honest, this stuff will not come overnight. I'm not gonna lie, it took me some time to become the woman I've always wanted to be. It took time, quietness, peace to become the woman I wanted to be, guys. Becoming your dream self, becoming the woman you want to be, it is a marathon, not a sprint, guys. It's going to take a while. It's going to take time to become the one you want to be. It's all about yourself and caring about yourself and treating yourself with respect, because nobody's going to treat you with respect if you don't treat yourself with respect. Nobody's going to care about you if you don't even care about you. You guys, to be honest, let's just focus on ourselves all 2025 and many more years to come. Let's just wake up another day blessed, trying to be the best version of ourselves and trying to make things better in our life and make things happen for ourselves. So guys, I wanted to talk about the woman of your dreams is already inside of you, guys. It's all about you just to bring it out. Make sure you take small steps to become the woman of your dreams and doing your day-to-day routines and doing the small things that matter to you the most. If this video inspired you today, make sure you leave a comment on a goal that you're working on for this year, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I would love to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.